Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Iman's Arts and Crafts, and today's video I'm gonna organize my crafting table. You can see that everything right here is dirty. Oh, dirty in the sense that everything is spread here and there and there's no organization at all. So we will, in today's video, we'll clean it up and we'll also organize all the stationery over here. And first of all, you can see that it's my favorite strawberry here. I'm gonna put it on the side, and this box with many things fitting into it. And here you can see that this is smartwatch, but then why should I wear it right now? So I'm wearing it, and after it we will clean the table and we will also organize this table as well. So these are the hairpins. I've used these hairpins in one of my special videos. Must watch that video as well. I will try to publish that video as soon as possible and putting almost everything at the side. And now you can see that there is dust on it and we have to clean that up. So I'm bringing that tissue roll, and my tissue roll is almost gonna end. So tissue and the card roll which is left behind. I will use this to make any craft. Okay, there is another surprise video for you. I'm gonna soon make a video in which I will use this card roll to make a gift hat. That would be so nice. Much watch the video. I'm cleaning that up, and after that we'll put everything back into its place. Now you can see that as it's clean now, we will go draw all the things back into the places. Now you can see that it's now clean, so we have to put all these things back over here so that not much mess will be created over here. We have to clean this table as well, and also have to empty this lower portion as well. It's also dirty, so we have to put these things back to their places. First of all, we will put it here, and you can see there are Barbie dolls on it. So we're gonna check this out. Now this is my strawberry. Go into it and sit it. Okay, good. Now this box, and this is what I love. It is very much nice. The painting which I made after getting impressed from this box, and I love it. And next, these beads. Okay, how did I pocket these? These are the beads which I used to make my this wrist bracelet. These beads. So now putting it here. Okay, just place it down here. Now lastly, flamingo. Flamingo sit here. Okay, the upper portion is now clear, and you can see this view. So beautiful and clean. Now we have to clean this lower portion, and first of all, we have to clear the space up. Lastly, we have to clean this table as well. So first, okay, now we have these things. This is a handbag. I placed it in this organizer because I really love it. It's so beautiful. And I can also put lots of things in it. If for example I put something into it like this view, I can also put some other things into it as well. And back, these are a few acrylic markers. And see these acrylic markers. So this is the broader side of it. So coloring, and the other lip is the outline. These are 5 acrylic markers. These are just 5 that I have right now here. I have to put them also. But this is my most favorite diary. This is totally mine. Okay, now it's here. You see, so I have written some things into it. Now I have done some sort of journaling, but yes, it's only sort of journaling which I've done to. And nothing more. Okay. Next we have these sticky notes. And these sticky notes over here. And there's some other which I use them for making mini crafting. Okay. And these is type of item sticks. I like them now. These are colored sticks, popsicle sticks. Okay. Now see all these tables. Now we have to clean it up also. And there is some dust. Now putting that aside. And these are the markers with dual tips, right? Dual tips, and if we put it like this, all the ink into it will go there, and we couldn't write from here because there would no more ink left in that tip. So for these type of dual markers, we need to put them vertically like this. So that's why I'm not putting it into this pen holder, because if I put it into this holder, all the ink would go into one side and the other tip would be useless. So always remember to put these dual tip markers vertically in any place. So I'm just leaving them here. And vertically. Now coming to our table, we can simply see that these are my highlighters which are now putting them where the others. This is couple, and here's the back. Let me show you. These are my most favorite. These are the fruit aroma markers, highlighters. The colors are so soft and beautiful, and I'm really in love with them. Purple, here's the blue, here's this green, red. No, sorry, it's pink with red strawberry. It's yellow and orange. Let me show you. It's the marker side, narrow tip. It's the broader one, highlighter tip. Same. Every marker has these two tips. Broader. Put it back into this. Put them. I'll also put them vertically over. Yep. And now these are the one's name which I wrote it right now. The next video would be related to it. This is the calendar which I was making, and the next video would be related to it. So now I'm leaving it aside, and I was making something so there's a little bit. These are the items. I was using it to make these nails, and next video would also be related to it, how to make these nails, depending. Okay, let's watch it. And this paper cut off. Just leaving it there, and sellotape. It's the glue. Where should I put it? I think I must put it right over here. That's all. Now what we have left? Half glasses. Should we put them for you? Okay. Now set square inspector, and his black pins, his blue earrings, and I have these pens, pencil, and brush. Import the brush into this. And organizer. Stapler, and must put my head here. Okay, that's what we do. And my pencil is not carrying a pencil. I also have one folder. I also have a third pink color. 3 diagonal pencils I have. 0.7mm. This is actually here. Put them back into this organizer. String. Now this is the cutout. It's also for that calendar. The next video upcoming. These are the paint, fabric paint. These are fabric colors. That's right. Where's the blue one? I have to find it. Let me find it after I'll show you. I look for that blue paint everywhere, but couldn't find it anywhere but I found my analysis. What do you think? Should we make our next craft video related to this? From using our nano tape? We should put it into this. Put it back into space. And what's left on the table? Can you guess? Is anything left over on the table? Let me show you. Ooh. These mini flowers. I was making right now, and these two mini flowers are left on the table. I'm also making a video related to this, how to make these mini cute flowers. Okay, let's see that video as well. And we're just cleaning it, cleaning. And now almost everything, but this is all in front of the camera. There's so much work to do behind the camera. I just don't have these things to do, but I have many more things behind this camera. And hope so you like this video. Which thing do you like most? Leave a comment, and also you can give me some suggestions. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe the channel as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.